We're going to show you how to access your full COSHH library and download your COSHH datasheets. From our website homepage, you first need to log in and then go to the Your COSHH Library link on the top left hand side. Our COSHH library automatically pulls through any products you have purchased from us that come with a COSHH datasheet. At the top of this page there's a drop down menu where you can choose to show products from the last week, month, year or throughout your whole time shopping with Gompels. The COSHH library automatically updates itself with any new versions of the datasheets, so you have peace of mind that the sheet you're downloading is accurate and your records are always up to date. On the library you can choose the individual datasheets you wish to download by ticking the box next to their sheet, or you can press the green button at the top and download all your sheets in one go. The datasheets will then download and you can open them. You can read through the sheet and print them out or save them as you require. This means your health and safety filing is always up to date and you can present the sheets upon inspections. As with all of our tools, the key accounts team are available whenever you need them to talk you through using and optimising the COSHH library.